Wondering how much it costs to polish a marble floor in Edinburgh? Well, it depends on a few key factors. The condition of your floor, the level of shine you want, and the method used all play a role in the final price. On average, marble polishing can range from £10 to £70 per square metre. For light buffing and polishing, you might pay as little as £10 to £30 per square metre. But if your floors are heavily damaged and need grinding, honing and polishing, that could go up to £50 to £70 per square metre. And don't forget about sealing. Applying a protective sealer can cost between £3 and £25 per square metre, helping keep your floors looking pristine for years to come. So, if you're looking to restore your marble's shine, get a thorough cost breakdown from Repair, Restore, Revive. Give your floors the care they deserve. Call 07533 873 476 or visit our website today.